In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage SSL certificates on your HostGator cPanel account. Whether you're securing your site for the first time or simply troubleshooting an issue, we'll walk through how to effectively handle your SSL settings with clarity and ease. First, let's begin by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't accessed your cPanel before, you can find the login page by navigating to your hosting provider's website and locating the cPanel access point. Once you're logged in, you'll need to look for the SSL TLS section. This is where you can review your currently installed certificates. When you access the SSL TLS area, you'll get an overview of all your SSL certificates. It's crucial to review this list closely. Check the status of each certificate and see if any have expired or need updating. Keeping track of expiry dates ensures your website remains secure and keeps your users' data safe. If you find certificates that are outdated or invalid, you'll need to remove or reinstall them. This might sound intimidating, but it's a straightforward process and essential to maintaining your site's integrity. Next, we'll enable AutoSSL, which can be found within the cPanel interface. AutoSSL is a lifesaver because it automatically renews your site's SSL certificates, minimizing your maintenance duties. To do this, click on Manage AutoSSL and simply toggle it on. This handy feature keeps your site continually protected without additional intervention, making it ideal for busy website owners. After you've cleared up your SSL certificates, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache. This helps guarantee that you're seeing the most up-to-date version of your site without any leftover data from before your SSL modifications. Each browser has its own method for clearing cache, so go through the settings of your specific browser to accomplish this. Now, it's time to test your website, making sure it's accessible via HTTPS. Put your URL into the address bar and confirm it loads securely with no warning signs or errors. However, if you happen to encounter persistent issues after reviewing everything, don't worry. HostGator has a dedicated support team to help troubleshoot these types of problems. Whether it's through live chat, a support ticket, or a phone call, they can provide guidance on ensuring your SSL configuration is correct and resolving any other concerns you have. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your SSL certificates and keep your website secure. Remember to check in regularly to make sure everything remains in top shape. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in managing your SSL certificates on your HostGator